Is Python a good career option? Today, we'll explore why Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, the opportunities it creates in technology, and how learning Python can shape your future. From career growth to practical benefits, let's find out if Python is the right path for you. Python is one of the most widely adopted programming languages, ranking consistently in the top 3 worldwide with millions of developers using it daily. It's also beginner-friendly because its syntax reads almost like English, making it easy to grasp core concepts without struggling with complex code. And what makes Python stand out is its versatility. From powering Netflix's recommendation system to supporting NASA's aerospace projects, Python is trusted across industries for critical applications. Python is insanely popular because it's easy to read and feels almost like English, with clean and simple syntax. It also has a massive community, with millions of questions already answered on platforms like Stack Overflow, so help is always available. Python works across platforms, meaning you can write your code once and run it on Windows, Mac, or Linux. And with a rich ecosystem of over 300,000 packages, you can find a tool or library for almost Python powers modern technology in almost every field. It runs websites like Instagram and Spotify, drives data science with tools like Pandas and NumPy, and is the backbone of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It also handles automation, game development, and even cybersecurity. Simply put, Python is everywhere. Python opens the door to countless career paths. Many start as general Python developers, then branch into specialized roles based on their interests and the demands of the job market. Python skills pay off. The average US salary is around $92,000, with entry-level roles starting near $70,000 and senior positions going well above $130,000. Job growth is strong too, at 22% a year. Connect with the Python community. The best time to begin was